Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to report video on TikTok. So let's start. First open the TikTok app. Now you have to find the video you want to report. I'll show the example with this video. First you have to tap on the share icon on bottom right hand side. Then tap on report. Now you have to select a reason. I'll just quickly select a reason. And then you have to complete the necessary steps and then tap submit to complete the report. For each reason you have to complete some corresponding necessary steps and then tap submit. And that's how you can report a video on TikTok. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.